My name is Mariana and I'm 23 years old. I live in Portugal and I'm graduated in translations from the School of Arts and Humanities of the University of Lisbon. For the past 6 months, I was an intern at Yale Translations. Yale Translations provides linguistic services such as translation or interpretation. I mainly worked on translating and subtitling with English and Portuguese, but I also helped with other tasks when needed. I didn't actually have the opportunity to go and work in the offices in Athens, so I worked entirely from home in Portugal. I would start my day by checking the Skype group or my email to see what my tasks for the day would be, and I would spend the rest of my day completing those tasks. We also held weekly meetings with the trainees and our supervisors, so the communication was very easy, and we communicated through Skype, email, or even on those meetings, and it was very easy and fluid. My biggest challenge was definitely the Greek language, because Yale Translation is a Greek company. Everybody there speaks Greek, and I do not. The majority of the projects are in Greek, and the majority of the conversation in the group are held in Greek, so I had to adapt myself into a language I do not speak. However, it was not more than a challenge because it was never a problem. Everybody at Yale Translations has a great level of English, and the communication between the team and I was always easy. The highlight of my internship, I would say, is the fact that I learned a lot more about translation. The company always held seminars and workshops about translation and CAT tools and softwares, so we could always be learning. And another highlight was the fact that I worked a lot on subtitling. That is one of my passions in translation, and I'm happy that I was given the opportunity. After this internship, I will probably do a master in translation or linguistics, or I will look for a job in the field. Now that I've done this internship, I feel a lot more comfortable and I feel a lot more prepared to enter the workforce. So yeah, I'm not sure. Because I didn't actually work in the office in Athens and I worked from home, my biggest advice to any future intern at Yale Translations would be to take in as much as you can, retain as much information as you can, because it will not only be useful in your internship, but probably in your future job or academic path.